Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download the driver DCP-T426W. I'm talking about brother printer. Okay, so search as it is on the Google search box to first link brother.in. This is official website. So click on this. Okay, so that is your printer. Scroll down, click to support in informations. Then click to download driver. Select your operating system: Windows, Mac, Linux, and mobile. So I have Windows 11. Select first of all Windows and then Windows 11, then click to OK. Okay, this is fully driver and software include all driver and with the software like it's scanner and like that. This is only for printer driver, so you can use only for printing purpose, not in scanning and software. So this is the firmware. Okay, tools. This is wireless setup helper means utility. You can find out the any issue in like that. So I guide you. Suggestion is guys install this one. This is because the drivers not install every day. Just like install the one day. Okay, and after that facing some issues and like that. So we can use and repair like that. But install full driver and software package on this click and then slow down, then agree to download. Wait few seconds to installing start. Go to locations and then guys double click to downloaded file. It will extract on same locations. Now you can see the locations in compressions, compressions, decompress on this location. So you can check this. Now it's accessible. Now we can see the folder. Okay, select the folder and double click to open. Then yes, then guys installations. Next I agree, install. Next there are two type, either Wi-Fi and by USB cable. So guys if you connect to Wi-Fi, so first of all you connect to your printer to your Wi-Fi network. Okay, and then USB. Okay, select this. Next, after it will complete and after restart your system. Thank you.